there. How are you? Hope you're okay. It's Sian, and I'm just playing with my balloon. This is my balloon. I've decided to call him Bob. Bob's a green balloon. But we're going to read a story today about an orange balloon called Gordon. It's called Gordon's Great Escape. And it's written by Sue Hendra, illustrated by Paul Linnet, and I'm reading it with the kind permission of Simon and Schuster publishers. So, have you ever thought what it's like to be a balloon? Bob has, and Bob knows that sometimes he has to be very, very careful where he goes. Shall we find out what happens to Gordon? Are you ready? Here we go. Gordon's Great Escape. And there's Gordon. This is Gordon. He's a balloon. You may think that being a balloon is all about parties and floating about. Well, not for Gordon, as you will see. This is his story, and it starts a long time ago, when Gordon was little and still in his packet. Can you see him? As time went on, he grew and he grew and he grew until he was big enough for balloon school. Here he is learning some very important lessons. Can you see? He's learning what a balloon should try and avoid. So he should stay away from pins and scissors and cactuses and birds' beaks and roses, but he can go near clouds and teddy bears. Before long, it was time for Gordon's first party. He was a little bit shy, but he had a brilliant time, and that's when he met Penelope. They thought they'd be together forever. She took him to the seaside to make sandcastles. She took him to the park to play on the swings. Then at last she took him home to meet her pet porcupines. Ouch! Ouch! Prickles! Shouted Gordon, and with a huge he escaped out of the window. Can you imagine if he'd got too close to a porcupine? And slap bang into a magic show. Gordon became the magician's assistant, and it was great until the finale. I just need to pop the balloon in my magic bag, the magician said. Pop, thought Gordon. Pop! Ah, thought Gordon, and with a huge he escaped into a big stripy tent. And that's when his life in the circus began. Oh, Gordon loved being a circus balloon. He wasn't at all scared of heights, and he loved to make people laugh. Can you see Clown Gordon? Together, he and his circus friends travelled the whole world. But one fateful day, they were caught in a storm. And their ship sank. They thought they'd never be rescued, so Gordon bravely flew for help. My friends have never let me down, so I can't let them down, he said, as he flew through the wind and the rain. Finally, Gordon had to admit that he was lost. How would he ever find help now? As luck would have it, help found him. A big balloon. Together, they rescued Gordon's friends. So the big ballooners helped Gordon and headed back for dry land. A crowd of people, even the mayor, had gathered to meet the brave little balloon. It was a celebration! Hooray! Hooray for Gordon! Hooray! In honour of your bravery, I would like to present you with this medal, said the mayor. Oh, what's that? Ah! Said Gordon. Could Gordon make one last escape? Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Fireworks! I love fireworks, said Gordon. He was so happy he could burst. And that's the story of Gordon. So he didn't pop. It was fireworks going bang, bang, bang. I do like fireworks. Do you? Shall we sing a song about a firework? One little firework standing in a row. One little firework standing in a row. And if one little firework decides it's time to blow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoosh! There'll be no little fireworks standing in a row. So that's the story of Gordon the balloon and how he saved everyone and managed not to pop. Me and Bob are going to go and have some fun outside in the sunshine. Have a lovely day, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.